DIA gang, man, I'm back with a video, man. I hope y'all having a very wonderful Monday. Me and the dog, what we doing, buddy? Don't you look like a raccoon, y'all? Anyway, so I know y'all can see right there what that look like. Anyway, today, man, I'm so excited, man. I'm about to go ahead and put my CR85 motor back in, you feel me? It's right there, man. So, you know, the top end, brand new. Bottom end, rebuilt. You feel me? Sprocket, done by me. Filter oil. You feel me? I'm about to go ahead and take this little thing apart, man. So, what I was trying... The only reason y'all really wasn't getting videos, bro... Let me see if I can find it. The real reason why y'all wasn't getting videos was... Unless they buffed it out. They buffed it out. So, why did they give me this back? See, this is why I mess with James and them, man. They buffed it out and gave me another sleeve, man. Wait, let's go to the top end. Yeah. I don't even see the scuff where it got stuck at. Anyway, so on the inside, the crankshaft at the bottom and the bottom of it had broke apart. You know, flakes and stuff like that from the bottom end. And it got wedged in between the sleeve for the top end. But they buffed it out and still gave me this. So if y'all need a top end, you feel me, like pieces, I got the rest. Because this was a brand new top end rebuild right there from the person that I bought the bike from. And plus I still got the, let me see, let me pull this big engine out. Man, look at this mutt keep playing with me. Look at her, yeah. Chanel. Say hey. Let's go ahead and get started with this dirt bike, man. So let me tell y'all something, man. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. So I pull out the piece to hold the wheel in. Tell me why I see, hold on, I see little soy worms or whatever they are. And look at her. Wanna get them. Man, hold on, bro. Let me make sure I ain't going my hair. Y'all don't see none, do y'all? That's crazy. I'm about to murk these boys right now. Ain't no spawning. Like, how? It's weird. Look. Ooh. They like they dead. Anyway, back to what I was doing. Give y'all a little breakdown on what I'm doing. So basically right now I'm just taking off the the arm for the rear. You don't really gotta do much. I ain't never really took the brake line off. Probably should, but really don't care. Yeah, take that out. Slide my engine back in so I can put the chain on. I'm gonna have to take one of the links off to my chain because it's too long. Rewire everything, make sure I got fluid. What else? Shape my gas tank up because I did put some gas in, but that was like a few weeks ago, so that should be fine. And other than that, I got that air box out there getting clean right now. Bro, this bike is really not in bad shape, bro. But y'all go ahead and stay tuned and keep watching.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and over watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in a two-tone Maybach, pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the police acting, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get money? You still on me, how you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga a yak attack. I get my food away, meat and cheese and that's the rack. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fucked the same go, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Take off, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkers, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got those shows in the real watch, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that?
This about to be a long day. I'm gonna be pissed if I can't find it. Alright, so basically I'm looking for my tube, man, to go all the way back to the radiator. Actually, I found it. Watch this. Hold on. Bing bong. We in here. Yeah. Got that but I'm just so ready to ride this thing, but I don't even want to talk. I just want to ride. And they kind of got off on me because where my spark plug at, bro? I took a spark plug there. Where my spark plug at, James? Yo, so we got money. You feel me? So look, man, I just put the plastics back on. And this is how it's looking now. Of course, it's dirty. I ain't do nothing with the plastic. I just want to get the bike running so I can let it, you know, go through its heat cycles and stuff. Got the clutch working. Got this the only thing that's gonna be the problem. I need to get a new sprocket for the rear tire. It's not too bad, but you can tell it's going bad. And plus, rust is not my best friend, so I don't like rust. Now I'm gonna get some coolant. Actually, let's go get the coolant right now. And yes, I do got a mat, so I'm not just pouring it on the floor. Weird. Looks like we ready, man. Turn that fuel on, let it cycle through. Let me shake it up real quick. Gotta get it off this stand. I really gotta put some brake fluids in. Gotta make the force balance, baby. Yeah, 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 yeah. Turn the fuel back on. Catch y'all outside real quick. I'm gonna let this thing run. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Man, that man's loud, man. I gotta turn the idle down. It's too hot. So give me a second real quick.
What's up, gang?
Anyway, bad news.
We can't ride the dirt bike today. The reasoning is... Go ahead and tell him.
No, you tell him, nigga. You trying to tell him.
The reasoning is because the go button on the dirt bike, the...
The who?
Go.
The go what?
When you pull it back, what is it called? To get it powering and punting? It's broken. Because there's too much air going through the socket, which is not allowing it to fully get a good enough gear to go into drive.